Here we will look at how to set up the TMS application from the driver's perspective. The driver will have to go to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Search for the application and then click Install. Once installed, click Open. This will take you to the login screen where the driver can review the terms of service and privacy policy if they would like, and then proceed to log in by clicking the Login button. Please make sure to accept any permissions that may be requested to make sure all notifications are received. The app will then require you to input the host name of the TMS account associated with your trucking company. Once filled out, you can continue by clicking Next. If the host name is incorrect, there will be a message to try again. Next, you'll have to provide the phone number that is associated with the driver's profile in the TMS. This number will be used to receive a verification code via text message. You are able to use a different device such as your cell phone or tablet for which the code will then need to be typed into the app. Once a verification is complete, you'll be logged in and taken to your current orders list by default. You will be able to toggle between your scheduled orders, which you are assigned to but not yet loaded, current orders that you are working on now, as well as delivered orders that have been delivered by you in the past. You will have the ability to adjust your profile photo by clicking on the icon in the top right of your screen and taking a photo, as well as logging out of the app from this location as well. Scheduled orders will be in the sequence that they are supposed to be delivered. Here you can select an order and see all the necessary information regarding the load, such as load number, pickup number, the location and time frame for the pickup, delivery, stops, and more. You will also have the ability to check in and check out from each planned location with your actual times. If needed, you can copy this order information easily, as well as upload documents or take pictures. By pressing Check In, you will have a calendar pop-up with current date and time selected. If you need to make any adjustments, you can do so now by selecting the date, clicking on the check mark in the top right corner, and then confirming the time and clicking the check mark again. This means that the driver has arrived and checked in to their first location, most often the pickup. Here you are typically waiting to be loaded or unloaded. Once done and ready to move to the next location, you can check out in the same way you checked in, but now clicking the checkout button instead. This will move the order to the current status. Now you can get back on the road and exit the application. Once at your destination, you can check in for the delivery, as the application will keep you logged in. If you're late and outside the scheduled time, you'll have to select one of the preset reasons for delay. You can also type in another reason and then click Save. You can then check out from the delivery as well once you are loaded or unloaded. This will move the order into the delivered status. Drivers can also attach files at any moment to their assigned order with the Attach File button. By going back into this order, you can click the Add File button. Drivers can also attach files at any moment to their assigned orders with the Scan File button, for example if you have proof of delivery you wanted to upload. By going back into this order, you can click the Scan File button at the bottom. Select your file type and scan the selection. This will grayscale the image, but still allow some options to edit, such as bringing color back or cropping. After clicking Next, you can then scan more pages or click Done to complete the upload. This file will be stored under that specific order in the TMS and will be helpful in scanning PODs, BOLs, lumper, scale tickets, and other paperwork that is necessary. There is also an option to send a photo to the TMS from the app, for example how a load was secured or if there are any damages. Click on the Send Photo button at the bottom, and this can be done by taking a photo with the device camera or uploading a previous photo from the gallery. Once documents are uploaded and the driver has met company requirements, they can now carry on with their work and continue on to the next order from their scheduled status. Drivers will also have the ability to reply to chat messages from specific users in the TMS under the Messages section at the bottom. You can select which conversation you would like to respond to, and then type your reply while receiving notifications for new messages as well. This will allow for direct communication between driver and office personnel to relay any updates, changes, or issues. Let us know if you have any questions and be on the lookout for new features. Thank you.